Welcome to my channel once again. It's me VarkMarker. This video is about how to install parrot in virtualbox. If you don't know how to install virtualbox in Linux, I'll give a link in the description. Open virtualbox and click the new button on the screen. Type a name for the virtual machine. Here parrot is my name for the virtual machine. Select your ISO image of parrot. Press the next button. Allocate your memory and CPU cores for the virtual machine. In my case, I'm giving 4 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores. Press the next button. Allocate hard disk space for the virtual machine. In my case, it is 30 GB. Press the next button. Press the finish button. Press the green start button. Press enter. Double-click the install file shown on the desktop. Press the next button. Select your location. In my case, it's New York. Press the next button. Select your keyboard layout. Press the next button. Select the first option, erase disk. Press the next button. Enter your username and password for the parrot. In my case, username equals VM and password equals password. Press the next button. Press the install button and the install now button. Wait for installation. It takes some time to finish. Press the done button. Remove the parrot file from the controller, then restart the parrot virtualbox to avoid boot problems. Press the start button to boot up the parrot. Enter your password. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if this video helped you, give a like. Bye, see you around.